Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today what I'm going to show you is that how you can power a Telegram bot with ChatGPT. So I have made video previously with the OpenAI, obviously how you can use their APIs, and I have already created a video of how you can create a simple online tool. So I was thinking of this project where I can add these two things simultaneously. So I added the Telegram bot with the ChatGPT. That is why the things get very interesting. In the OpenAI, you always know that the platform of OpenAI, you have to go and you have to obviously create the view, the keys to use their APIs. And in the online tools, I have for the Telegram bot, I have already shown you in my previous video how to generate from the bot further. Obviously, the token you can watch those videos and that are on my channel as well. So now you can see this Telegram bot which I have built previously was a simple coding and very simple bot, but now it has the power to give your answers. Let's start and see what I have done, and this is very simple exactly. Wait for it and it gives you the answer. It gives you the answer. So whatever the question you ask to this bot, it will give you the answer. Now these answers I have not written anywhere. I have not written anywhere. It is directly coming from the ChatGPT. Exactly. So how this is coming exactly? So let's see the code, and this is if you can see the code, that is so small that you might understand. This is just this much of code is actually powering the whole bot. Exactly. So first I required the Grammy, which is actually for the Telegram, the OpenAI for the OpenAI section, the config files for the .env, and I have configured the API keys over here. The bot is this one and the OpenAI is for this one, and when the message comes in, I take the message and I have given the question. I have all mentioned in my previous video. I have mentioned what kind of parameters and what these actual parameters do exactly. I have taken the response and directly showed this to the reply. This is as simple as this. This line of code is exactly powering my bot, and it can gives you any answer. It gives you the answer. So this is so much fun. I was thinking of this project exactly. How can I write so much code if I attach a brain to it? And this is the brain. The ChatGPT is the brain, and you can play with this. You can do so lot of things with this. Obviously, I have this commented out code over here from my previous video, which has the explanation of how things are going over here exactly. Now you can use ChatGPT's another API, the DALL-E API, where you can upload the image and create the section where you can upload an image and it gives you an AI art for that. So this is so much fun doing this. We engineers always try to think of new technologies, how to combine technologies to think, and this is what I have thought about. The Telegram bot powered by ChatGPT. It's absolutely fantastic, and you can play with it. And I always want you to go into the deeper part of this, explore these things, and have a lot of fun. Thank you so much for watching these videos. I will be putting this code and obviously on the description. Thank you so much. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel.